Here is a wonderful 2024 Ram 2500. The Ram 2500 delivers heavy-duty capability, sophisticated style, rugged strength, and technology that keeps you safe and connected. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, pre-collision system, keyless entry, navigation system, remote engine start, satellite radio, premium sound system, four-wheel drive. Attack your projects with the strength and power that leaves no room for doubt. Drive the Ram 2500.